This is my white from 1901, a family rotary, and I have a request. Any civilians that sew, please go back to making masks. I went for a pre-op surgery appointment yesterday, like an evaluation, and as I was waiting for the doctor, I noticed they had a sign up on the cupboard which said, masks are back ordered, and it was telling the staff to use them sparingly. We can't be there. We can't accept that. Um, we need to find out who orders the masks for the country, where they're coming from, and we need to make them if we can't buy them. So this is the pattern from Eat, Pray, Create, which I'll put the link in the information section. I have several patterns up for face masks. The easiest one to make is the surgical mask. This one takes elastic and a rubber nose bridge. Now I'm using the white because it's neutral, and not that all of you can make this choice, but Singer and Brother are both made in China, and China backs North Korea. And North Korea has 7,800 plus of our MIA soldiers. So my choice is an antique white. I was going to use the Brother. I had it out. I put it away again simply because it doesn't have the power to go through the elastic, which is too bad. It does, but I have to stop and fiddle with it and pull it through. And vintage or antique is better, and white is neutral. The white company, right now the name of the company is owned by a company in Switzerland. You don't get any more neutral than that, and the machines aren't made anymore. So, but the main thing is, please go back to making masks. Drop them off at your doctor's office, your schools. Our senior center still isn't open. Restaurants, supermarkets, anywhere where you see them using the blue surgical disposable masks, because that's what's back ordered, according to the surgeon's office. The office staff had on hand-sewn masks, but the doctor himself had on a blue surgical mask. So, and you know, 2 layers of fabric I think is actually better than those blue surgical masks, but that's only my opinion. Please go back to making masks, and no matter who you vote for, it's just common health sense. Remember the school nurse? The school nurse would be telling you to wear a mask and wash your hands. Use your own common sense. Stay safe.